This experience was my second one. They did my house that I used to own. It was excellent. This one was excellent. They kept in touch with me all the time. The workers were very efficient, very nice, and I'm very happy with the product. It's nicer, the door that looks nicer. I can open my windows in my bedrooms. I couldn't open the windows before. They're excellent. They kept in touch the whole time. There was no problem at all. They were all Cubans, all of them. We called them the Cuban crew. They were really good. They were hard workers, they were very good. In fact, I'm thinking of having more windows put in, and I would want them to come back. Definitely. In fact, after my first house, I didn't even go to anybody else. I went right to them. Didn't get another quote at all.